In this video, we're going to look at Egyptian numerals. Yes. So this was taken from one of my colleagues' books, Joe Vasta. This is his version of the hieroglyphs. I say his version because, the Egyptians were around for thousands of years, so they did have some modifications of what symbols they used. But for right now, what we have is that you can see that they used a base 10 system. So here's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Okay, so the 1 is just it's called a single stroke, so just a bar. The 10 looks like a horseshoe. It's called a heel bone. The 100 is called a coil of rope, but I just kind of call it a swirly. The 1000 is the water lily or lotus, but to me it looks like Pac-Man on a stick. Sorry, but that's what it looks like. This guy here, which is the bent finger, is 10,000. The 10 tadpole or frog is 100,000, and the man with both hands raised is 1,000,000. Okay, so here's how this works. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a number. So let's say we were interested in writing the year, right? 2020. Oops. Okay. So what you'd want to do if you want to do this lesson with students in your class is that you would want to take your value and you'd want to go ahead and write it in expanded form. So this would be 2,000 plus, we have 0 hundreds, plus 20, and then 0 ones. So this is just 2,000 plus 20. So this is expanded form. Okay. Now the idea is for each of these place values, that's how many things I'm going to draw. So thousands are the lotus, water lily or lotus, what I call Pac-Man on a stick. So for each 1,000, we're going to draw one. So 2,000 would be, we're going to draw 2 of them. Okay. Now for 20, 20 is the tens. So we'd go over here to the shape for the tens, which is this horseshoe or heel bone. So again, because I had 20, I'd want 2 of those. And that is how we'd write 2020 in hieroglyphs. Okay, let's go ahead and try another one. So let me just make up something. How about I had 3,462. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a little bit more exciting. 13,462. Okay, so again, what you'd want to start off with is writing it in expanded form. So that would be 10,000. 3,000. 400. 62. Okay, so for each of these, I'm going to draw my shape. So the 10,000s are what's called the bent finger. So it's this weird, creepy finger. My friend, when he teaches this, he just draws what looks like a hockey stick to mean the bent finger. So you could also just do that for the bent finger. Okay. Thousands is the next shape. So that's the Pac-Man on a stick. And I need 3 of those. Okay. Now there's no rule that says they have to be side by side. So maybe for an art project, you have them kind of stack it in a creative way. Right. So 1 bent finger, 3,000. Okay. Hundreds. I don't think we've done the 100 shape yet. The coil of rope. All right, so I need 400, means I need 4 of those. All right. The horseshoe is the tens. I need 6 of those. And then the ones is just the single stroke, so I just need 2 of those. Dun, 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 dun. Can I get it all in? Maybe. Okay, so there is 13,462. So it's kind of a fun little thing that you could do with your students. So good luck. I hope you enjoy hieroglyphs.